This is the SEO optimized article writer software I have developed. I'll show you how it writes a completely SEO optimized article and information rich and well formatted. Well, I am directly showing you. I'll just copy a YouTube URL and paste it, and this will write an article based on the topic of that uh, YouTube video. It makes a SEO key phrase, it writes SEO metadata and everything related to an article. For example, I am showing you my dashboard. It has written hundreds of articles. All are, you see, all are SEO optimized. All are totally SEO optimized, and these are done totally automatically by the software. I don't have to do anything. This is the output. This is my blog. You see, it generates a featured image too. For example, if the article is how to master the Chinese secret to saving money, you see, it has generated a featured image that shows some Chinese people are having their meal. So, oh yeah, it already has written the article and directly published to the WordPress. And see, it has already generated a featured image related to the topic. What is the topic? How to speak so that people wanna listen. It has generated an image that a public speaker is speaking and people are listening. You see, it has also generated image generation prompt. For example, if you wanna uh, generate your own image by using some other image model, you simply can copy that image generation prompt and copy your own image. And it has written well researched, I repeat, well researched alt text, title, caption, description, um, as they should be. Now let's see the article it has written. Oh, you see, Yoast SEO is plugin is showing all three green marks. So you have to do nothing literally. Also notice that it has written focus key phrase for this article, and also it has written a meta description. So not only for metadata for article, it also writes metadata for the featured image too. All text, title, caption, description, all are well researched and adheres to the SEO best practice as it should be. Your job is to simply publish it, or you can select the category. What the category can be? Category can be say communication skills, and you simply say draft or you can publish it. That's up to you. Let's publish it. Publish it. Yeah, publish it because it's already ready-made article. Totally SEO optimized. View post. It is published. View post. Let's view the post. Yeah, you see, a nice article, well formatted, and it also adds a external link. Let's see the external link. 8 powerful tips for speaking with confidence and authority. So it's a related article which is obtained from Google search, which is related to this article, and this is added somewhere in the article. And you see, the it's well formatted, is very much information rich, is very much to the point, and you already saw that SEO score, readability score, inclusive language score, all are green. So this is the software system I have developed. It's still under development. I am still improving it. So I hope this software aligns your requirement. Thank you.